Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Pinterest account to business account. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Pinterest app on your phone. You tap on it, then once you tap on it, then you click on the profile icon. Once you click on it, then you tap on the name icon at the top right corner, then you tap on it. And from there, you scroll. Okay, you tap on this option, which is account management. You tap on it. Okay, good. All right, from here, then you tap on convert to a business account. So for you to convert to business account, you must know that you converting your normal accounts to business account simply means you're about to grow your business, or you can just simply use these options to grow your business, grow your brands with tools like ads and analyticals. So your content profile and followers will still the same, even though you will convert from this. Your followers and all other things will still remain the same. The difference that these hierarchies actually give you more rooms for you to grow your brand or your business with the kind of content you create on your profile. So if you are ready for this, just tap on the convert, then tap on convert account. So from here, you had your profile name. So I'm just going to input my profile name right here, which is Nema Media. Alright, good. So after that, I'm going to tap on next. Then right here, I'm going to input your website. So if you don't have any website, you can simply tap on next. Okay, you have to fill in this field. So just put no website yet. Good. Then you describe your business. You describe the kind of business you are offering. So if you are a blogger, you are a consumer or a good or product or service, or you are a contractor or a service provider, or a creator, influencer, public figure or celebrity, or you are just a local retail store or a local service. Just pick on any one of these options, or you are a publisher or a media. So just pick on any one. So I'm just going to click on this particular one, which is a creator, influencer, and a public figure. So I'm just going to tap on it. So I'm going to hit on next. So from here, would you like to ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest? If you truly yes, I'm interested in running ads, which is advertising. So yes. After that, then you can click on next. And you can see you are all set, your business. So that's it. Account is set already. And you click on next. Okay, good. Right, it looks like you already converted business account. So after once you are done, then you tap on this icon, which is the back arrow. Then tap on it. Okay, so it's like we get stuck. Just gonna tap this. Okay, good. Since it's not going back, I think we should just close the app. Once you close it, then we open the app again. Then you'll notice that your account has been converted to the business account, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.